Good job, guys. Go to the net, Ellis! Go to the net! Good job, Cole's in the right spot. Oh, dribbled in. That was Alex. Nice shot, Alex. Good job, you guys. Good job, Ellis. You guys are going to the net.
We're going to give you Brandon and Riley. We're going to take Max and
Okay.
Tybee.
Is it Tybee? I think it's Tibby. It's
No,
Tybee?
I asked him if it's Tibby. He's like, no, it's Tybee.
Oh, it's Tybee. Okay.
Everybody says it wrong.
Well, there's two V's. You would think that would make it a lowercase or smaller I.
So I can't go behind the net because it's so stupid.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I can't stop. So. Whenever I skate it, it's like, no, no. Start of the second period. Doing a little shift here. We're going to have Brandon and Riley playing defense. Max and Nikki are going to be playing wing. And we're going to keep Cameron and Tyler on D. I think Max actually might center. Cameron, pick up the man in front! Cameron, pick up the man in front! Cameron, pick up the man in front! Cameron! Are we going off?
I think Tyler's going to the box.
That's not how you call penalty.
Tyler's going to the box.
33 blue, head contact, 10 misconduct.
Oh, a 10-minute misconduct. I didn't see what happened.
Can you show me the replay on that, Ryan?
Silver penalty, please. Reason he got it, it's punch.
No,
Okay.
no, wait, we have someone for
Oh, I
him.
need someone to serve the
No,
mic.
Alice.
Need somebody.
Wait, no, Riley.
Riley,
You spent enough time in the box already.
can I see the replay? Why do we need to?
By disturbing the minor penalty.
Tyler, you're out.
Oh, intercepted. Oh. Aiden Anderson almost puts one home. Take him, Nico.
There you go, Anderson. Nice work.
Pass it. Pass it to the point. Here we go, Nico. Beat him there, Aiden. Aiden, back check. Good job. Get that puck. All right. Good job. Yeah, you'll be out there in a sec, dude. You'll get tons of ice time. Don't worry about it.
So, Alex,
Yeah, we do long shifts on D.
Max, come here. Brian, you got to get the door from Alice.
Oh, okay. net, Max! Good job, go to the net! Ref said head contact, like an elbow to the head. 10-minute major. Nice! Oh! Get it out front! Stay with it, Alex! Go to the net! Good job! Go get it!
Next line is
Oh! Hey, forwards, you're too tight on the goal. Stay back. Oh, he was wide open. Don't take all day! Alex, back up! Back up! Forwards, don't stand right on top of the goaltender. Back up 3 steps. You will?
When he comes out, he comes here. And
We'll throw him back out on the ice. He can just go out there. Oh! Battle, Joe! Battle, battle! Get it, get it! Come on, Joe!
move! Dig it out!
Come out of the corner with the puck! Back check! Back check! Go get it, Joe!
wouldn't it be nice to get?
Up.
No, but we already have 5 players, remember?
Oh, you're right. He's got to just come to the bench.
Tyler, come to the bench.
Yeah, it's just going to be at the whistle. Oh. Looks like we got another penalty coming. Oh, Joseph's going for a cross check.
Can I go with Cameron?
Centering. Vogel taking the face off. Wins the face off. Go, go, go! Get it! Nikki, dig for that puck! Nikki, go to the net! Go to the net! Nikki, go to the net! All right, get the puck!